This is such a sad video to watch. I mean, you can actually see in this video, you're going to see it after the conversation, thugs just running around, tearing down posters of Atiku and the People's Democratic Party in Okrika, a local government area of River State. Now, the man who is leading them is said to be one Honorable Akuro Tobin, who is the chairman, the Wike appointed chairman of the local government area. He's said to be a strong ally of Governor Wike. Now, I mean, why would they do this? And they're not even taking care. They know that they're being videoed, they're being, photographed, they're being recorded, and then they're still doing it. They're talking about what they're going to do. I mean, how can we have democracy like this? This is not democracy. This is thuggery. It's anything but democracy. And we're hopeful that this will not happen continuously. Watch this video. Comments in the comment section.
James, what are charity posters there? Charity posters, my video. Charity posters them. Charity my video.
I'll give you the gist. Take them now.
If I go charity poster, try this. Tiara, push out, Tiara. Fast. From this side, go. This one.